Yeah, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix and master beats on flstudio mobile. If you're new to the channel, leave a thumb for me and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy this video. I just here shared some tips and some knowledge. As you can see, when the beat drop, you can see that the bass was too much and the log drum was too much, especially not forgetting the high frequencies was also too loud. Let's just try to master and balance the levels. So when you are mastering your beats, you will need FX analyzer, and then you will also need to add the multi-band compressor because you get the low, mid and high, and you also had to add the FX limiter so that the sound doesn't cut through the, and then you need the FX equalizer to cut those high frequencies and the low frequencies. The another thing you also need is the FX compressor to glue the sound together. And another thing that you will need is the FX graphic EQ and the FX level. That's all you need to master your beat. Unless I left something, I'm sorry. So let me play a beat and see the frequency and how we can cut the high frequencies and the low frequencies. As you shall notice that this beat is playing around -30 decibels, which means it's high enough or loud enough, but we need to balance it so that the bass is not corroding with the high frequency. So what we gotta do, we need to add the EQ and so that it will be balanced and the sound won't be too loud and unbalanced. So now, as you can see here, low, which means is the bass this side, and this side is the high frequency, which means is the hi-hat, and this is the mid. So example, on the multi-band compressor, we have the low, which is the bass of the sound, the mid and the high frequency, which is the hi-hat and the shakers and all that soft sound. So on the spectrum here, we just have to check. noticed something, like I've noticed, and I hope you have noticed it. When the beat drop, the bass, the log drum, they come and hit hard. So we need to decrease the volume of the log drum. How do? We use the EQ to do that, so that we can decrease it so that it doesn't uh, affect other sound. We give it a room for other sounds to have enough room to get a chance to be loud. So when we add the EQ, we have band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4. So band 1, as I already mentioned, is the bass. Band 2 and 3 is the mids of the track, and band 4 is the high frequency, the high hat, that's the high sound. And then if we cut it, we're gonna cut the shakers. Just look at the bass, look here, this side. Notice how it come and cut through the threshold, because our threshold is 0.0 decibels, but now it cuts through. So let's balance it with the high frequency so that it sounds in a balanced normal level.